down by the banks of the Ohio, and Polish day that should mind in the road and down beside where waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I held the night against his breast, as in June my arms he pressed. He cried, my love, don't you bother me, I'm not prepared for eternity. And Polish day that should be mine in the garden shining white, down beside where waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I wandered home, twinkle and one. I cried, my God, what have I done? I killed the only man I loved. He